video, in today's video, we will be taking slime orders from my company, not a real one, but a fake company that I have called Buttercup Slimes. And we basically have these butter slimes, a bunch of them, with names and stuff. This is how they look, and then you go back. And we're going to be completing orders with this box, and we're going to be delivering them. And you can choose whatever of these you want to put like on the top of your slime. You get to choose what slime you want, and one of these soda pops or whatever they're called. Yeah. So, and you get to choose between sprinkles or foam beads. And basically, we pack it up and deliver it to the customer. And then we keep going. I'll show you some of them, how they like feel and stuff, or how they look. Yeah. So let's get into this video. Okay, guys, let's start with our first order. Let's see. Yeah. So let's start with our first order. So first, they ordered the Mon Cherry slime. So let's put that in. And they ordered Light Sky. This is the one they ordered. So let's put that in too. And they ordered 4 slimes, so let's do 4. And we have 4, and they also ordered, this one's hazelnut, so they ordered this one. I believe this is the one they were talking about. And they ordered 1 more slime, so let's put that in. Which one was it? Yeah, this one, White Milk. White Milk. Yeah, that's very creative. And they ordered the green soda pop, or whatever it is. I just call them soda pops for some reason. Let's put that there. And they wanted sprinkles. Let's put in the sprinkles. And now time for the exciting part. So they ordered a unicorn, tea, and they ordered another ice cream. She ordered a candy. She also ordered a pineapple. She also ordered an extra popsicle and a watermelon popsicle. And yeah, that's all she ordered. Okay, here is the package they ordered. They ordered these 4 slimes, one of this green soda pop, and they ordered sprinkles and these 5. So let's close it up. Close it up real quick. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now let's paste a thank you note for a thank you for ordering here. And now let's deliver. Oh my god, guys! I got my package! This is so exciting. They even left a thank you note for me. This is such a good gift. Alright, guys, let's open it. Yes, let's open it. So kind of remove this note. Yeah. Guys, I got exactly what I ordered. I ordered these 4 slimes and exactly what I wanted. Let's play. First, we have the white milk that I ordered, and it is so exciting to play with. Look how glossy it is even. Let's play with it. Whoa, this is really butter slime. This is really butter slimed. This is like whipped cream. Melted whipped cream. Guys, definitely go check the company out called Buttercup Slimes. They're so cool for sending me this. Oh, it's kind of rippy though. Alright, let's open the other slimes we got. Okay, we got hazelnut, which is one of my favorites. This is good, guys. I love this company. It's definitely the best. They sent me my favorite hazelnut slime. Alright, let's open the next slime. Ooh, this one is Mon Cherry. Alright, here's the Mon Cherry slime that I ordered as well. Very nice and compact. Let's add one of these beads. We're gonna add this one. And then ice cream. Also maybe some candy. Nope, maybe not that. So let's play with it. Sink it down. Wow, this is an awesome quality. Let's add some sprinkles. such a good slide. Wow. Okay, now let's open the last slime over there. Alright, this is the Light Sky Butter Slime. This is my least favorite of the whole app, but I still like it. Wow, it is very clear. Let's get the watermelon popsicle to go with it. Perfect. This looks so good. This is like a digging game. You dig it up inside it, and you're trying to dig it out. Wow, look how long this could stretch. Ooh. Let's make it an ice cream topping cone. Oh, maybe not. It still looks good to eat, but you can't eat it. Sad. If this was edible, I would totally eat it. But this company is the best. Alright, this is the last slime. Let's view our soda pop. Wow, this looks like a very good soda pop. What do you guys think of this? It's a Mountain Dew soda. That was so exciting to open. I wish I could open some more, but I didn't order too much. Alright, we've done one long order. So we're going to be reviewing all the slime and playing with all of them. I might speed this up, so yeah. Let's play with this one first. But first, we're going to add a pineapple. Also, this one is called Buttercup Original. This is the original one we made. Add some foam. Alright, this is how the slime looks, and we're going to be playing with it. ASMR. ASMR. Okay, next I'm going to try this one. Let's put the cherry since it is called red cherry. Let's add some sprinkles this time. This is how it looks. Let's play with it. ASMR. Let's go fast with this. these are all my slimes. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for today. If you guys like this video, then make sure to subscribe, like, share. Yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. Smash. And I hope you enjoyed my slime video. I really hope you did. All my slimes, I'm going to start playing with these now. But anyways, bye guys. Love you so much. Bye.